Hey friends, if the extend volume option is grayed out or disabled in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command diskmgmt.msc and hit enter. This will open the disk management window. Now let me try to right click on this and select extend volume. I cannot because there is no free space on my system. So I can either shrink the volume on a different drive or delete the volume, and I'll get a little bit of allocated space this way. Okay, once I have this unallocated space, I will be able to extend the volume. So I click on next, next, and then finish. And now I have been able to achieve the necessary volume on my system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.